What's up, hooligans? I'm Brad Whiteside, and this is an alcohol-injected 600cc micro spring. I'm 36 years old, and I've been racing since I was 15. Yeah, that probably makes me one of the older applicants in the group, but I'd like to believe that means I'm more seasoned. Dude! It became time to start adulting, so bought a house, built a shop, built a bunch of cool cars, a bunch of motorcycles, married my smoking hot wife, had a couple of really cute kids who of course I had to build hot rods for. And even though all that was going on, I was never really out of the seat because I had SCCA autocross and rallycross, and once we were done having kids, it was time to get serious about racing again, so I bought that micro. But this is my rallycross rig. Hopefully, you guys give me a chance to come out there and rip that Fiat around, do a little competing, and show you guys what I can do. But until then, I'm just gonna keep hooning around here.